Where are we going?
I don't know. You're holding a gun to my head just tell me to drive.
Stop. Don't say that. Okay, well, we're going to the beach. Here is all our stuff. We got longboards and water and sandwiches, ginger beer, non-alcoholic, of course.
Oh, it's alcoholic because both of us are.
And then I got my wetsuit and clothes. There's Jukebox in the back. You can see him a little bit. And then the surfboard is on the roof. So that's pretty cool. Little cutie over here. Oh yeah, and there's Ronnie. Ronnie! This is a spin top.
Yeah.
Thank you. Drinking and driving. There you go. Okay, here's the plan. We're eating sandwiches, and then I'm gonna go surf, like one wave. You can jump in, and then we're coming back to the car, and we're changing, and we're gonna go do something else. Because it's freaking cold outside. Okay?
Okay.
I know. It's freaking cold. It's so cold.
We're about to swim. Gabby has to now. Gabby videoed herself saying it.
I did not. Holy balls. Dude. Okay, but if I get in, I'm gonna get out of the water. Feel this friction edge. It's so cold.
It's gonna be great. You're gonna do it.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold. My butt cheeks are frozen. Look though. Look. I need to be like her and just get in it, but holy cow. It's so mother freaking cold. Oh my gosh.
You have goosebumps on your leg for some reason.
Yeah, it's freaking cold. Hello, this is Gabby one day later, and to give you some reference on how cold it was yesterday, the air temperature was about 45, and then the water temperature was 50 something, and I don't know what the wind speed was, but the wind was freaking going, my dude. So it was freaking cold, and you can see from the people like walking in the background, everyone was bundled up, and I was jumping in the water. Oh my gosh, it's gonna suck butt cheeks. Show too many clips of me attempting to surf because I really did not catch any, and most of the time it was just getting pushed back by the current. But the one time I did catch a wave, okay, Nick was not recording. Dude, the one wave I caught, and I didn't get it on camera. Thanks a lot, Nicholas. So after we left the beach, we walked around downtown and went into some stores and stuff, and that was pretty cool. We saw some weird things and whatnot, and then we went to Mellow Mushroom and got pizza, and it was pretty good. We got pineapple and bacon, you freaking heathens. So anyways, that was our day, and then we left and went home after that. I also took a nap on the ride home back while Nick drove, so that's pretty cool too. Pizza.
Ka-chow.
Hey there, bud. That's all of the video, so bye.